up this week, so I did want to go ahead and pick up the camera and vlog and just show you a little bit of what I'm going to be doing this week. I got some. So guys, today I look like this, but I wanted to come on here and get myself together so that we can do some things today. What's up, y'all? So we are looking a mess, but we are out eating for Father's Day at this little place called, I forgot the name of the place, but it's like on a little river, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you what it's called. Here it is. It is called JR Cash Grill Bar. Over here. So this way. So we can put the water this way. So I'm gonna show you what's given. Where we at? I like to put on some lip gloss. There we go. Throw some. That's the first, y'all. So you can sit out on the water. It's a little dark, y'all, but you can sit out on the water and
Mom, you remember when Daddy
camera
said,
broken? Hold on.
can he swim in there, but the little girl drowned it in there?
She didn't drown. She didn't drown in this river. So here's the boat.
Dad got a slide.
Long time ago.
I want to go.
Hey, Mike. Mike, watch your face. Watch your face.
I want to vlog
Father's Day. I'll get back in with y'all whenever we get our food.
Hey, Mom. I'm camping.
Okay, y'all. So we are walking out just to see some of the people.
Oh, I'm at the
You see over
fall.
here, they're already in their boat riding. I wish we could ride a boat, but I don't think they have places where you can ride. So
Go back.
just walking out here on the dock, checking it out. Okay, so they have patio, cornhole, little deck where you can eat. And also over here, this is
Don't walk on them no more.
Please get in trouble. Okay, y'all, so we're waiting on our food. Well, not our food, we're waiting to sit down. Got me a little drinky drink. Okay, y'all, so I got a little drink. And it's a strawberry margarita. And I rate it at 10 out of 10 because it's a little bit strong. So we have an hour wait, so the kids are playing while we're waiting. Green cuts.
It's not too bad.
You gotta lean. You
That
gotta
was
lean.
like 8 days. Green. That was like 8 days. That looks
Hot like a shrimp. Fam. Celebrate Father's Day. Did you eat that? What, Brick? Yeah. Did you eat that Brick was over there? Good morning, y'all, or good afternoon. Yesterday, You saw we had went to the restaurant to JR's Cash. The food was okay. I had got potato soup and it looked nasty, but it was okay. My salad was a little bit better than my potato soup, but it was cool. But now, this morning, the next day, it is Sunday, it's Father's Day, and we are at PetSmart, about to get stuff for our dog. So, take you guys along with us to PetSmart. Look at the guinea pigs. Oh, look at it. There's one in there too. Oh, there's hamsters over here. It's something I would not get it too close to, like a rat.
Wait, what one is this?
It's a no and a no. And these are
I'm getting fed.
these are
Now,
what do you call these?
can find shoes.
Cute. Look at that one.
We have some of the cichlids. Some of them do when they get bigger. They'll eat like the small gold. They'll eat minnows. They'll eat the large goldfish.
Which one's
The cichlids, it's this case. Yeah, like the convicts, the parrots. These guys right here. When they get bigger, pretty much all of these. Whenever they get bigger, yeah, they eat. They keep the goldfish and stuff.
Fish.
But yeah. The only thing with them is like August, since they get like pretty big, they need a bigger station. They also need sand because they burrow. Where they move the sand around and stuff, they're always doing something with the sand. But yeah, because the rocks will hurt their gills and stuff. But yeah, that's the only difference with them.
Put your mama head. Hey vlog. So I am on my way to this winery and I'm going to take you guys along with me, but first we have to go to Marshall's because we're having my friend a surprise baby shower. Something small, sweet, and cute. She thinks that we're just going to the winery, but little does she know that we are going to have a baby shower for her. This is her first baby, and so this baby is very special to her. So we're going to shower her with gifts for her and her new baby. So I'm going to take you guys along with me to Marshall's. Hopefully we can find something real quick, and then we'll be headed to the winery. Okay, y'all, so I did not get to go into Marshall's because it's crazy in there. So I came to the store that's beside of Marshall's, and I'm gonna see if we can find little man something from this little store. So they got some little cute outfits in here. This is so cute. I wish my baby was still a baby. He's 6 now, so look at that. That's cute. Oh, look at this. This is too freaking cute. So I might get something like that for him. I don't know. Oh, that's cute too. So this is like little swimwear with little hats. So cute. Let's see what else they have. little Nike onesies. That is cute. For how much? Let's see. Only $14.99. That's good. Okay. So they also got like little Paw Patrol stuff in here, and blankets and stuff. See, I'm this type of mama that needs stuff like this. Well, I was the type of mama that needed stuff like this. This travel activity tray. That's cute. Okay, so I'm gonna look in here, guys, and then I will get back with y'all whenever we get out of the store. Okay, guys, so we are now done shopping. I went to Dollar Tree and got this little cute little bag, so I'm going to put the stuff inside of the bag while people look at me. Talk to myself. Anyway, it is hot, so I'm trying to hurry up. So this is what I got from Burt's. These Timey Teepee cups. Some little Nike socks. And this little Nike two-piece outfit. That was so cute. And then inside of Dollar Tree, I was just looking around and I found these two little books, and I'm all about reading to kids. So Humpty Dumpty and Pat a Cake. These are the books that we have for him. There was something on this book that it was in a store. I don't know what was on it. I'm trying to clean it off. But anyway, okay, so these two books. We're about to put the tissue paper in there and then head down the road. We're going to be a little bit late. We're supposed to be there at 1 o'clock. It's 1:05. But it's like 15 minutes from where I am, so we're not going to be that late. So we're going to put the tissue paper in here. We're going to go. Yeah, I just be stuffing the paper in there. Okay. So it's got a little bag. Now we're getting ready to head down the road. I got some chips out of there, y'all, because I'm a little hungry. I haven't ate breakfast. So I'm going to eat this little popcorn. And it's drizzling, y'all. Let me show y'all. It is drizzling right now. You can see my window. The rain is coming down. I did not know it was supposed to rain. So, alright, we're going to head on out, and I will see you guys at the winery. Bye. Hey vlog, so it's the next day. Yesterday we had went to the I went to the winery yesterday, and today we're on our way to this man-made beach with my friend for her daughter's birthday. And so I'm gonna take you guys along with us. We're all packed up and ready to go. You ready to go, Nova?
Yeah.
Put your seatbelt on. So we're all packed up and ready to go. It's very hot, but yeah, so we will see you guys there. I may not vlog too much because it's hot, but I will show you guys what's up with the what's up.